Good morning everyone. Today we're at the Arminghall Auto Show and Jumble Sale. There are loads of cool cars to see. Hoping to spot a few split screen camper vans. So let's get into it. Well, it's an absolutely gorgeous day today. Hopefully summer's finally on its way. I think we're all sick of this rubbish weather. Should be even nicer later on, so fingers crossed. Hopefully there'll be some nice food trucks as well. This Chevy is right up my street. Harper's hardware store. That is so cool. Really nice. Love that sort of rat look as well. This place is absolutely enormous. I imagine it's going to take us a good couple of hours just to look around the cars before we even look at the jumble sale. £3 per person to get in, so not too bad. Oh, look at the artwork on the back of this.
Oh, Michelle, you'll see.
That is so cool.
You'll see himself. I found out enough, but you can't find in the. Boys. 1953, that came out when I was 1.
In the jumble sale section, loads of cool auto parts to look at. Hoping there's going to be a lot of old-fashioned metal signs. I love looking at stuff like that. Load of retro oil cans and that here. And the Walls ice cream sign, that's really cool. A couple of little purchases, some retro badges, quite cool. There's so much to look at through here. You've literally got like car parts, vintage toys, leather jackets. There's absolutely tons to look at. Made another purchase. Found this signed New York Yankees baseball. 10 quid. That's an absolute bargain. Well, that sky isn't looking too clever. I'm hoping we can get all the way around before it starts to rain. Yeah, it's nice. Well, unfortunately the weather has taken a turn, so next time you see us we're going to go for some tucker at the Bird in the Hand, so we'll see you there. So we're now at the Bird in Hand, looking forward to a lovely meal and a couple of bevies, so let's get inside. Looks like it's quite a big menu. Lovely things on here. Signature steak and ale pie, sausage and mash, pork medallions, scampi, gammon steaks. Loads to choose from. I've gone for the triple burger with onion rings and bacon. It is absolutely enormous. And then you get skinny fries as well. Yummy. She's gone for the fish and chips. That is an absolute beast. That was a fantastic meal at Bird in the Hand. I highly recommend it. Cheers guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.